For centripetal force, let's look back at circular motion, and we're going to go through the equations. Now remember, acceleration is defined as the rate of change of velocity. And it can be shown that the centripetal acceleration is equal to omega squared r. Therefore, F equals ma equals omega squared r multiplied by the mass. So F equals m omega squared r, and we know that omega equals 2 pi over t. So if we develop equation 1 with equation 3, a equals 4 pi squared over t squared multiplied by r, which is equal to 4 pi squared over t squared times r squared over r. And that allows us to bring the r squared over, so that is equal to 4 pi squared r squared over t squared times 1 over r. And that gives us a is equal to 2 pi r over t squared times 1 over r, which is equal to v squared times 1 over r, equals v squared over r. Therefore, F equals mv squared over r. So useful equations that we're going to have looking at centripetal force is that A equals omega squared r equals v squared over r. And therefore F equals m omega squared r equals mv squared over r.